Welcome to Fun Food Stories. If your Memorial Day weeknights are packed, but your taste buds are still craving something special, then oh honey, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 10 Memorial Day quick weeknight dinner recipes. Yes, 10, and they're fast, fabulous, and flavor-packed. Whether you're coming in from the grill, just got home from the pool, or simply don't want to spend the whole evening in the kitchen, these recipes are your answer. We're talking cheesy quesadillas, creamy pastas, sizzling sliders, and even stuffed avocados that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Expect to pick up handy tips, smart storage advice, crowd-pleasing serving suggestions, and refreshing drink pairings along the way. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with every friend you know. Let's make dinner the best part of your day. The first recipe is a barbecue chicken and corn quesadilla. Melty, messy, and mouth-watering. You'll need 2 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken, half a cup of barbecue sauce, for a large flour tortillas, 1 cup shredded cheddar, 1 cup shredded Monterey Jack, and 1 cup of corn, fresh, frozen, or canned. Toss the chicken with the barbecue sauce until it's sticky and savory. Then lay your cheese on half of each tortilla, layer the chicken and corn generously, and fold them over. Brush each quesadilla with butter and toast them on a skillet for 3 to 4 minutes per side until crispy and golden. I like serving these with a dollop of sour cream and a wedge of lime. So refreshing. If you've got leftovers, pop them in the fridge wrapped in foil and reheat in a toaster oven the next day. Serve with a side of tangy coleslaw and a tall glass of iced tea or lemonade. Do you like your quesadillas super cheesy or packed with extra corn? Tell me in the comments. Next up is 1 pan lemon garlic shrimp pasta. Light, luscious, and lemony. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1 pound of peeled shrimp, a pinch of salt, pepper and red pepper flakes, 2 cups chicken broth, half a cup heavy cream, 8 ounces of linguine, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, juice of 1 lemon, and fresh parsley. Start by sautéing the garlic in olive oil until fragrant, then cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove the shrimp and set them aside. Into the same pan, pour in the chicken broth, heavy cream, and uncooked pasta. Let it simmer uncovered for about 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until the pasta is al dente. Return the shrimp to the pan, then finish with the lemon zest, juice, and parsley. It's creamy with a citrusy zing. Top it with grated Parmesan and cracked black pepper. Serve with a slice of garlic bread and a crisp glass of white wine. This one's best fresh, but if needed, keep it refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Tell me, do you prefer shrimp pasta with a creamy base or olive oil base? The third recipe is Memorial Day burger bowls, which are basically burgers gone salad mode. Think all the juicy, cheesy, crunchy vibes without the bun. Start with 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Cook the beef in a skillet with the Worcestershire and seasonings until browned and slightly crispy on the edges. Then grab your bowl and layer in chopped lettuce, have cherry tomatoes, diced pickles, shredded cheddar, and a good spoonful of that beef. Now for the magic. Burger sauce. Mix a 1/4 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon mustard, and a splash of pickle juice. Drizzle it right on top. Add croutons, or even crushed tater tots for texture. And pair with sparkling water with lemon, or even a cold root beer. Store components separately to keep lettuce fresh. Great for make-ahead lunches. Your turn. What's your must-have burger topping? Let's compare notes. Grilled sausage and veggie skewers are next, and they are just begging to hit the grill. You'll want sliced smoked sausage, chunks of zucchini, red bell pepper, and red onion, a drizzle of olive oil, garlic powder, Italian herbs, salt, and pepper. Thread the sausage and veggies onto skewers in a colorful pattern. Drizzle with olive oil and season with the spices. Grill them over medium heat, or roast in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes, turning once halfway through. The edges should get caramelized and the sausage a bit crispy. Plate over a bed of fluffy couscous or quinoa for a hearty meal. Leftovers keep well and make great wraps or sandwich fillings the next day. Drink pairing. A chilled beer or citrus spritzer goes perfectly. Would you roast these or grill them? Vote in the comments. Tuna pesto stuffed avocados are our fifth recipe, and oh my, they're a dreamy, creamy delight. Start by mixing 1 can of drained tuna with 2 tablespoons pesto, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt, and some fresh lemon zest. Have 2 ripe avocados, and gently scoop out just a bit of flesh to make more room. Spoon the tuna mixture into each half, then top with chopped cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of pine nuts. For extra refreshment, chill the avocados before filling. It's the ultimate cool-down dish after a hot day. Pair with pita chips or cucumber slices. If prepping ahead, store the tuna mixed separately and assemble right before serving to keep the avocado from browning. Drink suggestion: iced cucumber water or a sparkling lemon drink. Let's talk. Are you team tuna or team chicken salad? Our sixth dish is Speedy chicken caprese bake. Yes, we're bringing some Italian summer vibes. You'll need 2 large chicken breasts sliced into 4 thinner cutlets. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Top each piece with a slice of tomato, a slice of fresh mozzarella, and a fresh basil leaf or 2. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until juicy and bubbly. It's fresh, herby, cheesy perfection. Plate over buttery orzo, or with warm baguette slices and a glass of chilled rose or sparkling water with a splash of cranberry. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Reheat gently so the cheese stays nice and stretchy. Comment below. What's your favorite quick chicken dinner? 7th, let's turn up the flavor with some mini Philly cheesesteak sliders that are just begging to be devoured. You'll start by sautéing thinly sliced onions and bell peppers until soft and golden. This brings out their natural sweetness. Then, toss and shave steak, seasoned lightly with salt and pepper. As the steak cooks, your kitchen will fill with that unmistakable aroma that feels like a cozy diner downtown. Once cooked, layer that meaty, cheesy goodness onto the bottom halves of slider buns sitting snugly in a baking dish. Top with provolone slices, and then the bun tops. Brush everything with melted butter and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese is melty and the buns are golden. These sliders are incredible with a fresh coleslaw or crunchy pickles. Serve them warm, and if you've got leftovers, store them in foil and reheat in the oven the next day to preserve the texture. And now, for our 8th quick wonder, spicy taco mac. Cook your macaroni until it's perfectly tender. Brown a pound of ground beef, add in a packet of taco seasoning, half a cup of water, and let the magic simmer. Add in half a cup of salsa for a spicy sweet kick. Then stir in half a cup each of sour cream and shredded cheddar cheese until it's all creamy and bold. Combine with your macaroni and top it off with green onions and crushed tortilla chips. You could sneak in some spinach too, for a burst of color and nutrition. This dish is a crowd pleaser for all ages. Pair it with a tall glass of iced tea or a chilled beer. Got leftovers? Pop it in a sealed container and it'll hold up great for 2 to 3 days. Let's keep the flavor rolling with number 9. Buffalo chicken lettuce wraps. Mix together 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken with a 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce and 2 tablespoons of ranch. Spoon that spicy, creamy mix into crisp romaine leaves and top with diced celery and blue cheese crumbles. Want a vegetarian? Swap the chicken for smashed chickpeas. It's just as satisfying. These wraps are ideal for a refreshing low-carb dinner. You can prep the chicken filling ahead and store it in the fridge for up to 4 days. When it's time to eat, just scoop and crunch. What's your favorite lettuce wrap combo? Let's swap ideas in the comments. And finally, rounding off our epic Memorial Day dinner lineup is number 10. Barbecue jackfruit sandwiches. Don't knock it till you try it. Drain and rinse a can of young green jackfruit. Simmer it with half a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce and a 1/4 cup of water for 15 minutes. Then shred it with a fork. Serve this tender, tangy mix on toasted buns with a pile of creamy coleslaw. It's smoky, satisfying, and completely meatless. This is a great make-ahead dish. The jackfruit mixture actually tastes better the next day. Just store it in an airtight container and reheat gently. Goes perfectly with sweet potato fries and a tall lemonade. And there you have it. 10 unforgettable Memorial Day weeknight dinners that are quick, exciting, and sure to keep your evenings delicious and drama-free. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your favorite foodie friends. See you in the next one, and until then, keep the fun and food stories coming.